Hey guys, it's Nathan. Welcome to my video. So I love plants. They're just so nice looking. I feel like they're really also kind of trendy right now. Plants can be really expensive sometimes. You know, it's not expensive. The Dollar Tree. So I decided it would be like a fun idea to challenge myself and try to make dollar store greenery and plants and things. Okay, the first thing I got was this like succulent thing. Everything was $1 also because it's the dollar store. But you know, some dollar stores are like fake dollar stores and things are like $5, so this is like an actual dollar store. Anyways, this for $1. And to go along with that, I actually got this bowl. It's kind of like a mini fish bowl. Okay, and then I got these 4-foot garlands, and I got them for $1 each, and I got 3 of them. That's all that I got, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with it. Also, another recommendation I have to get plants for cheap is check out the thrift store, because it's cheap and they usually have really good deals. Sorry about the mess, but we're first going to start out with the glass globe thing, and take any type of rope that you have. I just have this macrame stuff from my rope door. Measure it from the ceiling to where you want it, if that makes sense. You know, we're basically making a hanging plant, so how much rope you're going to need is just cut that amount. And also, I added about like 12 inches just to be sure. You can always cut off a little bit, I guess. Then take 3 pieces all the same length and tie it together in a knot. Now you're going to want to wrap it around the side to see how you want it to fit, and then tie another knot on the bottom, leaving a few inches. Now wrap it around the bottom to see how it fits, and yeah. Now take a dollop of hot glue on the bottom in the center, take a decent amount, and then place your knot on top of that and hold it down. Now separate the 3 pieces of rope and hot glue each one down. Now flip it around and see how it looks. Now take your succulent, and as you can see, mine was a bit too big, so I just ripped off the top and then got a pair of scissors and cut off the wire. And see, now it fits perfectly. Then I took some hot glue and just glued it on the bottom. Now gather your 3 pieces of rope and grab a spare piece and tie it around the 3 pieces and pull. Then take some hot glue and hot glue each one of the sides down. Then take your excess rope and pull it down and wrap the excess amount of rope around the 3 pieces of rope. and then cut and hot glue it. It should look like this. And that's it. This one was really simple and I think it looks really cool. Okay, next you're going to take your garlands and you're going to want to cut it in half. And do this to all 3 of them. Then take a bowl or cup or anything, I just already own this one, and then place your vine inside, putting it where you want it. And then all you do is take a hot glue gun and put a generous amount of hot glue on the side so that it stays in there. And now just do this to every piece, and that's about it. This is how it turned out. I think it looks super cool. And that's it. I'm super happy with how these turned out. They both look really cool. And also, sorry about the lighting. The sun is starting to go down, so the lighting's not the best. But I hope you enjoyed anyways, and this maybe helped you out a little bit. If it did, like and subscribe, and bye.